Okay, folks, our 8th lesson in Arabic is about time. Right over here, we start with the number 8, Thamania. Thamania. If you probably already noticed, there's a lot of TH and H in Arabic, and it's pronounced usually with a th, like a thick. So, 8, Thamania. Thamania. The time in Arabic, al-tawqita, al-tawqita. You want to know what time it is when ask someone in Arabic. First you gotta say excuse me, afwan, afwan. Or you can say Ida samaha, Ida samaha. You want to ask what time it is. After you say afwan, afwan, kamasa, kamasa. What time is it? Excuse me, what time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Innaha al-wahida. Innaha wahida. It's 2 o'clock. Innaha thaniya. Innaha thaniya. It's 3 o'clock. Innaha thalitha. Innaha thalitha. The following right here shows all the words in Arabic that are related to time. A second, al-thaniyan, al-thaniyan. A minute, al-dakikatu, al-dakikatu. An hour, al-sahatu, al-sahatu. And a day is al-yawm, al-yawm.